It's a bit different. It's a bit different to what I normally do. It's about how it feels to socialise, or just interact with people in general when you've got neurodiverse issues and just weird brains. So yeah, that's what this is about. Enjoy. It's called Sound and Silence. Is winding, and I can't see where they are hiding. I search for you with all my nights, 'cause you help me to sleep at night. The world is loud, I don't like crowds. My mind is spinning round and round. It don't make sense, it's all past is laying somewhere else. It's the sound of silence. It's the sound of the silence. Sound of the silence. These four walls, they know, and they have secrets they have told. Treasures I can't find. The world is loud, I don't like crowds. My mind is spinning around and around. It don't make sense, it's all past tense. My head is laying somewhere else. It's the sound of the silence. Sound of the silence. My mind is spinning around and around. It don't make sense, it's all past tense. My head is laying somewhere else. It's the sound of the silence.